What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we're going to be looking at Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, as well as XRP to US dollar. We're also going to be looking at the current coin market cap. As you guys can clearly tell, the recent correction to the downside has started once again. We're currently seeing prices down about 1 to 3%, which is quite interesting in a market where we were honestly anticipating some more highs being retested. We have Litecoin currently battling $75. We have Bitcoin hitting 9,700, Ethereum at 269, and then XRP currently battling the 27-cent region. So in today's episode specifically, I want to talk about once again the recent crazy market trends that have been happening right now, whether we're going to be seeing a potential bear market or a bearish correction down to either 25 cents on XRP and some lower movements on the other cryptocurrencies, or are we going to consolidate back up, close above a stronger support, and then eventually start to break bullish and expect to see some newer highs, if not all-time highs, for specifically 2020. Otherwise, if you guys are new to the channel, definitely make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, leave a giant thumbs up, and remember to follow me on Twitter at CryptoVOfficial. This way you guys can get all the updates, giveaways, and important information that is released almost instantly on Twitter rather than following the news updates on YouTube. Otherwise, guys, let's jump into today's episode. So let's discuss yesterday's video really quick. Yesterday we were checking out the very interesting market trends right here. You can see yesterday's video was the major recovery that we were referring to in XRP and Bitcoin. We saw an immediate retestment and correction above what appeared to be our uptrend on XRP. And then we immediately started to see correction to the downside in today's episode, which I honestly found quite interesting. I wasn't anticipating movements like this to happen. I was honestly figuring we would continue to head up. But speaking with other technical analysts on the Crypto TV team, we have pretty much figured that we are in a very interesting market right now, and it's really hit or miss for the next couple of days until we see a major break. From what we were discussing on all these cryptocurrencies, it seems like we're in a day of consolidation, a market of consolidation, and it's merely just a waiting game right now to pretty much anticipate and get that clear confirmation as to whether or not we are going to be bullish the next couple of weeks, or if we're going to be bearish the next couple of weeks. I know that is the question for discussion, and we'll go more in depth into that in just a second. Now, as we look at the technical analysis on the current coin market cap, you can see a couple of things. Currently, we have obviously a quite high Bitcoin dominance, 62%, but out of the top 10 cryptocurrencies, majority of the coins are down about 3 to 4%. Bitcoin only down about 1.4, Ethereum 0.3, XRP 2.5. We have Litecoin 4.4, and you can see the very interesting trends that a lot of these cryptos are starting to once again become in sync with Bitcoin's movements. We have obviously very interesting trends with Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP not so much, just recently starting to get similar. And then we have Litecoin. All of these for the most part are trending quite similarly, and we could expect to see one movement happen within Bitcoin and the other cryptocurrencies start to follow pursuit. Specifically, we're really waiting right now in order to buy in on DueDEX. For those of you that have me on Patreon, you guys will know the trades that we have made right now. Currently, we are in a waiting game right now in regards to where we break. Obviously, we know that if we break $10,000 and can close above there, very good chance we could easily break up to 10,400, if not higher, maybe anticipating $11,000. And it's waiting on that confirmation above those levels to pretty much give the confirmation of a bull market is still in play, and capitalizing off those gains by trading long on DueDEX. Now, also we have the position of a short term, a short in the aspect that we fall below $9,500 to $9,600, around $9,550. And if we can see a bearish trend and we can actually close a candle below the $9,550 support, there's a very good chance we'll see a short and a correction to the downside within the market. These are both things that we're planning on doing with DueDEX. Any movement like that is definitely something we'll be tracking on DueDEX. For those of you that don't have DueDEX, I highly recommend signing up. It is an awesome website. There also is some affiliate bonuses and just sign up bonuses in the description down below, so definitely take advantage of that. I think you can get up to $70. It also does help support the channel by using DueDEX, so who doesn't like free Bitcoin? Definitely check it out. Also with the video, I wanted to just mention on my YouTube channel, we're at like 13.889. Like we're 10 subscribers off from hitting 13.9 and then 100 off from 14K. So I highly recommend smashing that subscribe button. I think very soon we'll do another giveaway on the channel, maybe for either some sort of accessories or Bitcoin cryptocurrency merchandise, or just straight up Bitcoin. If you have any ideas to what you'd like to see in regards to a giveaway, definitely leave that down below. And definitely, we'll probably put a poll out on Twitter in regards to what type of giveaway you'd like to see on the channel. Otherwise, jumping into the technical analysis, what you guys have been waiting for. So I've been comparing the DueDEX Bitcoin chart, as you know, to the Bitcoin one on TradingView. They're slightly different, fairly similar, but on the TradingView one, we're trending outside of the uptrend, which is interesting. When you look at the Bitcoin chart, we're not actually doing that as much. We could honestly just ever so slightly extend this like this, and you can see for the most part it's almost like we're trending, once again on this support. And what I noticed on XRP, which is very similar to the other coins, is I don't actually think we're below here. I think we could easily just extend this ever so slightly out like this. I mean, we are still in contact with supports right here. We're still in contact with this dip right here, this higher low being set. And you can see we're currently battling this once again. Now, if I just extend this slightly downwards, you can see we are still trending and hugging this support, this uptrend support for quite some time, almost a week. And you can see we're doing now that same thing here. We have had some dips. You can see we've had dips in the past. So it's very possible that this could once again still be that same recovery. And there could be that good chance that tomorrow we could be trending above the uptrend and see an immediate, correction leading to 30 cents in the market, currently at 27. So it would be quite a big profit. I think anything above 28 cents would be a great long for the movement up to 30 cents, a long position like that. And I do think we're capped right now with a strong resistance at 33 cents being the top. But I do think, similar to the past, a good chance we could have this sideways consolidation here and then expect to see that rally up to the upside. Otherwise, we're looking at a short position if we can break through 26 cents. If we break through this, very good chance we'll be falling all the way down to about 24 cents on the market, a good short there. Obviously, the second we see any confirmation of these things, the people who have me on Patreon will be updated almost instantly on that. So definitely check that out if you're interested in mimicking or copying or learning about my trades. I will have a link in the description for you to follow me on Patreon. That's an awesome website to get updates with that. But to move on into the other cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin specifically, it still looks good. I have really no complaints. This is the first time we're actually trending on the uptrend for quite some time. Clearly, the bears are definitely having a big tug and a big manipulation on the market right now. Still, once again, higher lows are being set, so we don't look bad. I mean, we retested support, fell to resist, or we retested resistance and fell to support, and we're now just trending on this upside here. But like I said, if we see a confirmation above 10.4 or 10.350, so in between here, we could say maybe even 10.350. Anything above that would be considered a bullish mark in my book, and I will be long on DueDEX. They're expecting to see a spike all the way up to, at least now, up to 11,250 due to the fact that the longer we're trending upwards, the easier it is to, explode up to those levels. Trending at 50 on the RSI gives us plenty of room and potential to see a swing like that. So it's merely just a waiting game right now, watching the market, expecting to see which way it goes. If we do break below 9,500, good chance we'll short the market down to about 84 to 8,800. I'm pretty bearish on the market if we break through those resistances. Even $8,800 is a critical potential move that we could be playing down to. I think that's the low of 88 to maybe 84 would be the short if we break through the $9,500 support that we have right now. Otherwise, a bullish movement above 10.4 is in the works right now. So you guys can set up those positions if you want, but it's merely just a waiting game right now as for which direction the coin wants to take and the market wants to take. Either way, we will be locking in profits due to the fact that you can short on DueDEX, unlike some other currency exchanges. I know Coinbase Pro, which a lot of you guys use, can't offer that feature. So until it does, DueDEX is my best option in regards to that. And then to wrap up today's video, looking at Litecoin and Ethereum, immediate correction downwards from the recent bull that we had yesterday, shooting up from 69 all the way to $80, now correcting back down to 74. Good chance, once again, we'll be riding out this support right here, potentially retesting a new higher low, putting in a fourth one, or maybe even a fifth, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this could be the 5th higher low being set, and then I think it could be the potential of shooting up to $95 very quickly and rapidly on Litecoin if we can close once again a candle above $77. We're seeing a little bit of resistance here, so we may even push that and bump that up to 80. If we can see it close above 80, good chance we'll shoot up higher. Or if we break, I would say a key support of 72 or around 67, these regions, good chance will fall all the way down to 56. So we're really in a waiting game right now. As for Ethereum, the coin that's merely just trending sideways, still fairly close to being overbought, has now had a bearish confirmation on its MACD, which could entice us to just be trending inside this channel right here. You can see clear as day, just sideways movements like this. Good chance we'll continue this outwards. We could fall down to here and then see a pop, but I do think we're just waiting right now for some key supports to be played, some key resistances to be retested, and then we will make a play off of that. Otherwise, guys, if you are new to the channel, definitely make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, leave a giant thumbs up, make sure to follow me on Twitter at CryptoVOfficial, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.